would you say when you saw this? I want to know what Jonathan would say. What would you say, Jonathan? I want to know what you would say when you see this. What would you say when you just see these two letters? What would you say? Scholars, we're in scholar position. Scholar position, just like London. Eyes on Miss Ward. What would you say when you just see the SH though? What would you do?
When you are done, you please put the cap back on and get back to scholar position. When you are done with your question, get back to scholar.
Scholars.
This is ready.
Our eyes are on Miss Ward. We are in scholar position. We are sitting straight with our hands in our laps. I see Jonathan has his eyes on me. I see Angel is sitting in scholar position. We're not sweating.
You have 6 minutes left. When it says 15, we are switching. When it says 15,
what do you say when you see the SH together?
Oh, you forgot your question.
What do you say when you see the SH together? Morgan. Oh. Warning. Jonathan, warning. You're in scholar position. Okay. What do you see? What do you say when you see the SH together, Angel? Scholars, what do we say when we see the SH together? Okay. Finished talking about practice the sounds. So we can check it off. 1, 2, 3, check! Excellent. So now we get to move on to learn new spelling words. We just took our spelling test from our spelling words last week. Now we need to learn all of our spelling words for this week. We have 10 new words. 10 new words. We need to make sure that we practice all of them.
At the end. Let's try to.
We're going to do something different. Scholar position, please.
Can you come out to play?
We're going to do something different today. We're going to do something called
Look. I could tell you were reading a question. I'll try it again.
Right. Check.
Do something different.
So first word, let's talk through our different words. Our first word is am. That's my first word. Am. A-M.
Let's start with
Number 2 is get. What's the second word?
Get.
Number 3 is clap. What's the third word?
Clap.
your turn.
Clap. Number 4 is
Your turn now.
what's the fourth word? Number 5 is fish. Number 6 is shut. Number 7 is wish.
No, we're not.
Wish.
Number 8 is any.
Any.
Number 9, shall.
Cameron, you need to
Shall.
good readers keep reading their books.
Shampoo.
Only 4 more minutes.
Alright, so first thing,
Okay,
Jonathan, if you have a question, you need to raise your hand.
my turn. You're in
Are
scholar.
you going to ask me what to do? Because I'm going to tell you. Promise I will tell you.
Thank you.
Marcus.
Thank you. Thank you.
Scholar position, please.
Thank you, John.
Rachel, we're sitting.
I see John is still reading silently. Great
First
job,
thing you're
John.
going to do, you're going
I
to
see
look.
Cameron
First thing
reading
is look.
silently.
You
Okay,
look
I'm gonna
at
try
each of the
for
words
seconds.
and you read each of the words. Second thing you do is you copy the words. What's the first thing we do? What's the first thing we do, Morgan?
Copy the words.
What do we do right here first? What's the first thing?
You look at the words and copy the words.
So first I look, next I copy. Then after I've copied, so when I copy I write am is right here, so I write am here.
Okay.
Get goes
John,
here,
reading
clap
individually
goes
by
here.
yourself.
And go keep going.
I see
Next
Cameron
I'm going to fold my paper in half. I'm going to fold it in half. And I'm going to just look at this side. I'm going to see how many of the words I can remember to write
I need
correctly.
someone to read it.
Marcus, what am I doing right here?
Remember the words that you can write correctly.
So I'm going to remember which words I can write. And then I'm going to unfold my paper and I'm going to check. I'm going to look and see if I did them correctly. And then the very last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write them all again. What's the very last thing I'm going to do?
Morgan, to the park. Can you tell me that's a question? Why not? Reese over again and tell me. Why does that
Write the
not
words
sound
over.
right?
You write the words again. Guys, if you have any questions about what we're doing, London?
My voice didn't get a little bit higher. Let's all try it together. You like to go to the park?
You're right.
Good.
You could always look at the words that were already written. Do we have any more questions about what you need to do, or do we know what you need to do? Daniel knows what he needs to do.
Use your marker.
This question about what to do.
Write this question on your sentence strip.
Yep, so am goes there, get goes here, and then am will go here, get will go here, am will go here, get will go here. Good question. Yes, Marcus?
Do we have anything on the back?
Nope, nothing on the back. Back's blank. Just this. Okay, let's see. I'm going to have Daniel help me pass out my papers. You want to teach scholars this?
Scholars are finishing their sentence strip. Kayla, you are still reading. Priscilla, you are reading.
Nope, we're doing them here. We are doing them here.
When you're done, you've only just begun. You practice it one more
I
time.
see Marcus.
until
Wait
time's up.
patiently.